Welcome to C Keynotes. C's an unprecedented aerospace and defense alliance led by sub-tier suppliers, committed to accelerating supply chain performance. We're just suppliers, like you, proud of our companies, and committed to excellence. Please listen to our message at the end of this video, and thanks for watching.
Thank you. First of all, I'd like to thank Mickey for allowing me to go ahead of Brad. Appreciate that very much. Again, my name is Greg Gannon, Production Manager with HIxson Metal Finishing. Slide. HIxson's servicing the military aircraft industry for 50 years now. We have 4 buildings, approximately 40,000 square foot. We're in Newport Beach, California, and we're the home to about 110 employees. We operate a minimum of 2 shifts in most departments. In our paint department, we have a 3rd shift running in that area. We're about at a 60% capacity throughout the plant. Next slide. This is a snapshot of our approvals, and as you can see, they've got some really prime approvals in place. We're working very aggressively with our customers to add to this list each month. Next slide. Parts per million. Wow. Alone last year, we managed and processed 8.5 million parts through our shop floor. A lot of parts. This year, we're projected to break that mark. Next slide. Average turn times. As you can see on the graph, in 04-05, we've been looking at an average turn of about 3.5 days. Our business started to increase, and that started to be a problem for us. Our turn time started to increase. And the folks at this table aren't going to allow that, let me tell you. We're starting to see it go up to about 6 days on an average. You know, we as managers got together and said, we got a problem here. What are we going to do? Well, first part of 08, that's when we engaged with C. Our lean journey began. We started taking, and on the shop floor, some of our processes and doing the value streaming, doing the Kaizen events, and the 6S'ing of our shop floor. As you can see, the charts is going in the right direction, back down to a comfortable 3.5 average working days per order. Next slide. And one of the successes we had, we've been beaten up on the production team daily on how we're going to get more efficient. Well, we started looking at that and say, well, there's some low-hanging fruit up in the planning department. So we took a look at our planning department and said, can we do a little better there? Get it out to production, give us a chance to meet those 1- and 2-day deliveries that are requested of our customers to HIxson. So we took the average cycle time. They were moving along at about 26 hours currently in March of 09. We thought it'd be a nice idea to take and Kaizen that event, 2 days with Tom Reed. He did a great job with us. So our goal was to, a lot of the purchase orders that we have received at HIxson, 26%, the information we received does not allow us to process the parts. It goes on hold. Big problem for us. We wanted to improve the process flow and obviously reduce the cycle time. Next slide, please. Our results were amazing. We were at about a 26.3 cycle time. We got it down to 20. That 6 hours has allowed production to shave off a day on delivery just in one Kaizen event. That's huge for us. We've actually put together a PO checklist to our customers, and this allows them to give us the proper information so that we can process your parts. It doesn't go on hold. It's sitting on a grief shelf. And then, of course, it's amazing what a set of stairs do to our employees. Our planning department was upstairs, and we took that whole department, removed it, put it downstairs right on the production floor next to our customer service department, literally 10 feet away. With that, as you can see, the flow is more fluid, and it allowed us to take that perception of climbing up those stairs and delaying that pull process of POs going into the planning department. Huge success. Next slide. I guess for my go forward is to continue the lean journey. It's been very successful to us. Continue to do the value streaming in our shop, grow the business, and our reduced turn times is our key. Thank you.
Thanks for watching our video. Now we want to take just a brief moment to invite you to join us. We're facing a number of challenges in today's aerospace industry. Our customers are consolidating their supply chains and putting everyone on the 3 lists: grow, maintain, or phase out. And we don't always know which list we're on. The prime contractors are reconfiguring their businesses for high-speed production, and we're expected to reconfigure ours to 100% on-time delivery and 0 PPM quality performance. Customer expectations seem to be a moving target, and global competition is having an impact on how we compete. And we have many issues that never seem to get resolved. We complain, but realistically, we're only one voice on these issues, so how can we expect to be heard? And oftentimes the buyer or purchasing agent is not someone who can make a change anyway. C suppliers have identified 4 reasons why they joined C. Visibility, of course, deals directly with how we capture new business, and C is a proven master at getting visibility for C suppliers. Performance, our step-by-step roadmap, has been tested and proven by hundreds of C suppliers. Just listen to the videos on our YouTube site and you'll conclude that following the C roadmap will increase your performance dramatically. Collaboration on projects with C suppliers means working with people who speak a common language and are committed to excellence. And finally, working together, we can invite customer executives to discuss supply chain issues that slow down performance and increase cost. Together, we do have a voice. C is a nonprofit 501c6 industry alliance. It's supported by supplier memberships and sponsors. We would like to have your voice and your participation, so please go to the C website or call and join C today. Thanks for watching.